India was berated inside the JNU. An event had to be cancelled after uproar, and now as we speak, protests taking place outside the campus. Let me bring in Sabyasachi, who's there. Yes, Sabyasachi.
Yes, absolutely. You can see the protest is going on, and the protest is being carried out by the ABVP students out here, and along with them the teachers have also gathered to join in the protest. And right now they are demanding that the faculty of the Center for Women Studies should be removed immediately until and unless this protest will continue, and they will not take it calmly. They will continue with their protest until and unless the action is taken. Here, the major question also arises on the JNU administration, especially questioning that whether the JNU administration was napping at that particular time, because until and unless this entire webinar post was viral on the social media, there was serious question asked on the JNU administration as to why there was so much delay in taking action, and whether the taxpayers' money are going on to spread anti-national propaganda. So these are some question that has been going on the social media. We'll try to get some reaction from the students out here, exactly what they think. मैम आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जो पूरा मामला है, क्या कैसे देखती है पूरे मामले को?
See, we know that Kashmir was eternally a part of India, and we cannot see such things happening, especially in our campus that we have been studying here, and this is an institution where we learn everything from this campus, and if this thing is happening in our campus, we should take some action against all these acts that's happening. So yeah.
What are the demands that you students want that action should be taken as soon as possible?
We are, sir, actually हम चाहते हैं कि जो कश्मीर है उसको इंडिया का ही पार्ट बोला जाए, क्योंकि वो एक्चुअल में इंडिया का पार्ट है, और हमारे बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स ने उसके लिए लड़ाई किया, हमारी गवर्नमेंट्स ने वहाँ पे बहुत सारा इन्वेस्ट किया, मतलब वो हमारा ही पार्ट है, और उसको प्लीज़ किसी और के लिए नहीं बोला जाए.
Okay.
Ma'am, आप क्या सोचते हैं?
Sabyasachi, thanks for getting us that quick report from the protest side.